Hello, future coders. Welcome back to another video from CodeRobo.ai, where learning coding is fun. In this video, we are going to complete our 6th mission, which is to draw a hexagon. So let's get started. Now, before drawing the hexagon, let's understand the logic behind it. A hexagon is a regular polygon, and the sum of its exterior angles is 360 degrees. To find each exterior angle of a hexagon, we divide 360 by 6 because a hexagon has 6 sides. Now that we have a clear understanding of the concept, let's go ahead and add the code for it. Place pen and pen color, and let's choose a color. Let's go with orange this time. First, we will use the move forward block. We'll go 4 steps forward, and then we'll use the turn right block. As we know, 360 divided by 6 gives us 60 degrees. And we'll use a repeat loop. Click on green play icon to help. Robot to trace the sides. Let us wait for it to complete. And there we go. That's the hexagon we drew. Like, share, and subscribe.